All right, today's date, 10/30/23. We're going to learn what is called the distributive property. The distributive property. We're writing this down. All right, distributive property. This is a perfect lesson to teach right before Halloween. Kind of goes along with Halloween. Some math with Halloween. All right, so I'm going to hand out 5 pieces of candy to every trick-or-treater. So I get a knock on the door, and here's my front door. And I have a costume. I don't recognize the costume, so I'm going to write a letter X. Oh, it's X-Men. A little dude dressed as X-Men. Plus another trick-or-treater who's dressed up as the number 2. I don't know. I'm just making it up.
Superman?
Why?
Yeah. Like the S.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. I like it.
No, it's a 2.
Is it a 2 or is it an S? Okay. Does everybody who comes trick-or-treating get candy?
Yeah.
Yes. So we're going to distribute the 5 to the X. Jordan, I need your iPad off. And the 5 to the 2. So everybody gets a 5.
Yeah.
And we're going to multiply. So we're going to go 5 times X.
Why do you write your X's like that?
So they don't look like times. Plus 5 times 2. So the 2 also gets candy. But kids always forget to give the 5 to the last number. Okay, so everybody gets candy. All right, so now we're going to multiply. Who knows what 5 times X is?
5.
Very good. 5x. So when you multiply a number and a variable, you kind of squish it together and you write 5x. These two things mean the same thing. 5 times x, 5x, squish it together. Plus feeling great. 10.
It's an S.
2. Now, can I put these two things together?
Yeah.
No. Does anybody know why?
Yes.
I cannot.
Why? Oh, because it doesn't have an X.
This one has an X. This one has not. So we cannot put them together. This means something completely different. This is actually not 5. It's a mystery number. This is our answer. So your answers are going to look like problems. Your answers are going to look like problems. Like you're not done, but you are done.
We're going to learn this in 5th grade.
Good.
8th grade.
Good. All right. So we go to the next house. This house is giving out 8 pieces of candy. Orlando, write this down on your paper. So we got 4.
Why?
It's a 4. 4. What's costume with a 4 on it? 4. And then
The 4th X-Men.
okay.
What are you talking
And then an M.
M&M.
An M&M. A green M&M.
No. You Monopoly Man.
about?
Nice.
What should be a
Monkey.
What should be a 4?
All right. So everybody gets an 8. So this person gets an 8, and this person gets an 8. Everybody gets an 8. So write this down. And then it'll be 8 times 4 plus 8 times what? Good. Yes.
Does it always have to be times?
Yes. So we're multiplying actually the number of candies I'm giving you.
Do we have to show the arrows?
Yes.
Is this 8th grade now?
This is the beginning of algebra. Yeah.
Algebra sounds hard.
Is this hard?
No. Getting candy.
Yeah. So what is 8 times 4?
32.
32 plus 8 times m.
Algebra.
Can I put these two together?
No.
So we're done.
Why do they always go with each other? Why do they always combine?
We can put these two together if this one had an m. It doesn't, so we keep them separate. Next week, I'm going to teach you.
I'm saying why is it 8 and M combined?
Because we can put these two together. We can only put them together if we're multiplying them. And so if we squish them together like this, it means multiplication.
So if you're adding it, you have to...
If you're adding them, they both have to have an m, which is what I'll be teaching you next week or later on this week. There will be a quiz on for Thursday. Yes.
Can I tell you this? It's about math.
Well, we are recording. Is it appropriate?
Yeah, it's appropriate.
Okay.
What do you call two guys that like math?
I don't know. Algebra. Okay. All right. That's a good one. All right. There is a math joke book that I used to have. I don't know where I placed it, but you know.
You have a joke book?
For math, yeah, all full of math jokes. Really? Some of them are good. Some of them aren't. All right. How much does everybody get?
3. G.
10.
10. Whatever number's outside, that's how much we give everyone. So, 10 times G minus 10 times 3.
10 times 3 is 30, and 10 times G is 10.
Hmm?
What?
What are you yapping about?
So, 10 G minus 30.
So can we?
What?
Can we do that?
What? Can I put these two together?
No.
Nope. Because this one has a G
The other one doesn't.
and this one does not.
Jordan, that was such
Hey.
What if they have different letters?
Separate. Because each letter stands for a different number. Like X could be 5 and T could be 7.
Can all the letters mean different things in general? Like 2 X's can be different than the others, or no?
Yeah, like on problem number 1, X is 5, but on problem number 2, X is 3. X keeps changing every single problem. All right, we got a big group coming. Middle school children show up to trick or treat.
Oh my god.
So, sorry, you didn't see the 2. Because there's a big group, I can only hand out 2 candies per person.
What?
Because there was a lot of kids coming.
Wow.
Candy ain't bad. Stop. What if they come back for a second?
Don't do that for him.
They come back with different costumes.
Yeah, what if
Yeah.
what if
What if
they
they
do
trade
that?
costumes?
I did that with my friends with the word. We ran around the whole neighborhood and then we came
All right,
up with the
well, if they're going to go through the effort of changing, I'll give them more candy, right?
Yeah.
All right, so everybody gets 2. Everybody. Don't forget about the W. It counts. So, 2 times 3n plus 2 times 5 plus 2 times w. I added those parentheses for no reason. They mean nothing.
You know? Alright, I'm gonna read them.
But then it's easier.
You can see it, but I don't want you to get confused. So 2 times 3n
6 and
Yeah. So we can actually multiply the big numbers. 2 times 3, 6. What do I do with the n? Just write it down.
B.
Plus
10.
10 plus,
2W.
Oh, is that 6? I thought that was a B.
no, because 2 times 3.
is that our answer?
No.
Is there anything else I could do?
No.
That's it. That's your
So
answer.
you don't add?
No, only if they're the same letters.
If they're different, right? So it's separate.
Yeah.
Wait, so if the 2 and the 6 would be, and they would go together, and then we just be the 2 separate?
Yeah. Look up a math joke first, please.
All right. Let me. Okay. Let's try this super long one.
I want to hear hilarious laugh.
Now I'm curious to see where my book is. 2b.
Check it.
So that's a B, Jordan. Plus the letter A.
So it's not a 6, it's a B.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what is 6?
So we have the letters A, B, C, D in this one. A, B, C, D.
2B
Bruh.
plus A
Not in order, though.
plus 4B.
Why is it so long?
Why is it so long?
I had a lot of trick-or-treaters.
Why so many?
Are they
You gave them all
are
candy
they
at once?
are they middle school kids again?
No, they're high school kids now.
What?
They should
They're not too old to be trick-or-treating.
Looking for the job.
I love it. I want to fast forward us in 3 years, see what you would say now.
You better.
Stop.
All right.
I'm gonna come back.
You're pointless. Oh, never mind. Oh, that's tragic. No, that's an
I think it's 3.
That's a you math joke, miss.
1 per day. I can only handle 1 per day.
Okay, well I'm saying.
Well, he said it right. All right. Did you copy this down? Can you put your mirror away, please? All right. So what are we gonna do? 7 times what?
7 times 20.
Mm.
2B.
2b, maybe capital B,
Yeah.
plus 7 times what?
7
A.
and then plus 7 times 4D. Plus
Minus.
7 times 3C.
Okay, so this looks really complicated. If someone were to walk in right now, they'd be like, oh my gosh, what's going on? They're doing some really hard math. But all we did is we rewrote the problem and stuck a 7 in front of each of the numbers. So we just repeated the 7. We haven't even done any math. Now we're going to multiply, and feel free to use your multiplication table.
14B.
2 times 7
14B
plus
7A.
plus 7A.
plus
28B. 21C.
minus
21C.
any of the letters the same?
Nah.
Nope.
No.
So we are
Done.
done.
Yeah.
But
Alright.
it's okay, that's
It's just, it's basically just
A 7, 8, 9.
If you
Isn't
find
it technically
your,
just multiply?
if you find your joke, then you tell us a lot.
Yeah.
You should tell us someone at the end of the period before we
You say a math.
Well, I don't know where the book is. It might be somewhere in here.
Do you have one in your head though?
Well, he said the
shape do you have to
What? down. Dude, we're gonna block your iPad if you cannot control yourself. Give me a letter, an X, fine. All right. So now we're running low. So we're gonna give everyone an M and M, or just an M.
That's crazy.
Jaden, write this down.
So just
There's
one
one
M&M.
M&M.
Mm-hmm. Half, because I'm just giving you an M.
What if it's late?
It's late, so we can only give you an M.
Dang. So you can only give out the stickers now?
You can only give out the wrapper.
You know, I came so late to Halloween one time that they weren't even giving out candy anymore. They were giving out some random stickers.
Nice.
I thought you were gonna say
All right. So what does everybody
Yeah,
get?
did that too.
An M&M.
An M and M. M times 2 plus M times
3x.
X. Everybody gets an M.
Yeah.
You just squish them together.
So M&M.
So what's M times 2?
And 2.
2M.
2m. The proper way would be to write the number in front and then the variable. Do I understand why you said 2m? Yes. But tell you right now, the proper way of writing it would be 2m. We always write the number in the front.
You just said, now what said 2m when you meant to say m2? Now what's
You know it. I'm sick. Okay, what's m times x? mx. Just squish it together.
wait, so we can add this
multiply
one
that.
since
I mean, you can add that so you can leave.
oh,
What's
no,
missing here?
the
X.
yeah.
If it had
We're getting closer to putting them together, but because this one does not have an x, no bueno.
If the m changed for the second one, would we
Wait,
be
wait,
able
wait,
to?
wait. If you just add the 2 and if it had an x, 2mx plus mx, wouldn't it just be 2mx?
Why can't you make it just make it a y? So it's like m and x.
So we can't put these together because of the x, right?
Yeah.
If I got rid of this x, let's pretend it's 2m plus m. What would 2m plus m equal to?
2mm.
W.
2.
M and m.
How many total m's would you have?
2.
So 22?
3.
Millimeter.
This would be 3m.
Why?
Oh,
'Cause-
I know why. Because both of them are halves, basically.
No. How many are here? 2.
2.
How many are here?
one.
1.
Trap.
Oh, so it's like you multiply. It's basically like if you multiply.
Hey, you're adding.
You just add.
You're adding because this would be a 1.
So that's a 1 and the other.
It's like a fraction. It's like a fraction. The whole number?
No, but
Plus
it's in
another one would
if
be
you multiply.
Miss,
Okay.
isn't it like a fraction with the whole number now?
Mm.
Whenever you feel the whole,
All right.
when it becomes a whole number.
Interesting thinking. I'm hearing a lot of interesting ideas and perspectives that you're seeing. Yes. This last problem. All right. Now I go trick or treating, and it's a duplex, meaning there's a house in the front. Cool. And then there's a house in the back. So like 2 houses on one piece of land. So this time I have to go to the back house to trick or treat. Because it's a duplex. There's 2 houses in one.
House.
Huh?
Why can't you just go to one house?
One more candy.
Seriously, right? The question. Come on.
Swear to God.
That hurt me. That hurt my feelings.
Yeah, you asking that question hurt our feelings.
I asked.
Okay, so even though, Jaden, the 5 is in the back, we're still going to give everyone candy.
5 candies?
But backwards.
But backwards, because it's a duplex and we're going to the back house.
Does that ever happen to you, Mr. Minnie? You have to go to the back house?
I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure once in my life.
House is sketchy.
I always go to the rich houses because they give out
Oh, yeah,
big
'cause
size
that's
game
better.
boards.
Yeah.
I think your house is sketchy.
Or they'll even give out money.
All right, so 5 times 7 and 5 times x. 5 times 7?
45.
Whoa. 35
Oh, yeah.
plus
5x.
Come and multiply it.
We can't.
That's
We're
it,
done.
guys.
Because it doesn't have one.
All right. One more and then I will pass out.
I thought this was the last one.
I know, for her. And then she'll do this one when she comes back. Because she's been waiting quite a bit.
I didn't really get the videos from last week.
You like pineapple?
Well, there's nothing like having a live teacher, but in a case of an emergency.
Just go, Melly. Just
like
search,
that bar.
just search up the jokes on your computer.
Oh, Miss Lomelli,
Yeah.
what shape are you
Why
supposed
does
to be
it-
scared of? Yeah.
I'm scared of a triangle.
You're supposed to be scared of a trapezoid.
Knee slapper!
Funny bird.
My clock is activated by laughter.
That was such a knee slapper.
Was it really that good, Miss Lomelli?
That made me giggle.
All right. All right. What is our answer for this last problem that we did?
Wait, you guys have it.
Oh, that's yours.
the same one.
Isn't it?
I'm confused. Wait, why did we get so much?
I think I doubled up on the passing out. Anyways,
Why does it look like?
what is our answer for this problem?
For which?
What the? 45. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Plus 20x. Why like that?
Oh, I did a whole different problem.
How so?
I don't know.
Miss Lamenda, you're gonna dress up for Halloween.
You know.
Did you get your dog a costume?
No, he doesn't do well with costumes.
I got my dog
What's
a
that
costume.
Discord?
You should see him.
Discord thing you get.
He's Frankenstein.
I would love to see that. All right, I made a mistake on this worksheet. Okay, on number 3, I forgot to write the variable, so it should be 2m, and then on number 5, it should be 6x. I forgot to write the variables on those questions, so just add, Ruben, the variables here and here.
No.
62.
Of my mistakes, yes. All right. Number 1 and number 2 are done for us. So let's go to number 3. What number am I distributing on number 3?
4.
4. Good.
4 pieces of candy.
So 4 times 8. 4 times X minus.
Let's worry about the front right now. Okay, if you really understand this, you realize these don't take forever. So the whining shouldn't be happening.
These are really easy since we don't have to keep going on.
So many, I have it.
What did you get?
I got. Wait, hold on, I messed up.
I got 32 minus 8m.
I put 24.
That's it, that's the answer.
I don't get number 5 though.
Stop it, Judy.
How do we do the negative?
That's too easy.
What's up, Mr. Gigi?
So,
It's regular.
number 5,
Oh, turn out for what?
you give everyone a -2.
Okay.
So you don't even give them anything?
Yeah, I steal the candy.
Wow.
They show up and I'm like, I grab your candy.
Who doesn't do
Oh, you want a treat or a trick?
So you're the Grinch.
I'll give you a treat. I'll give you a treat.
Also known as a teacher, so there you go. All right. -2 times what number?
3.
Good. Plus -2 times 6x. Because I added the x at the end. Am I done with number 3? No.
No.
So write down your answer for number 3. Use your multiplication table.
Wait, you're not done with number 3?
No.
Oh yeah, you're not.
2.
Is
I
it
got
5?
That's 2.
No.
Is it 5?
Is number 5 for
I know.
-2
So
times?
it's 12x,
Negative
but
5?
then the other one is
What's -2
6.
times 3?
Negative 6.
Oh, sorry. I should think now.
Plus, what's -2 times 6x?
Negative 12.
12x.
Negative 12x.
Oh my god.
Do you realize that the letters, we're just kind of carrying them with us? The letters don't really do anything. You just kind of rewrite them. The letters don't really do much. They're just there. So just carry them with you. All right, keep going.
It's so easy.
Okay, the front and then the back. I want you to do 1, 2, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 6, 7.
Remember when I told Miss
All the front
when I
and then this. And you have a little bit more than 10 minutes. You should be able to finish. And if you don't, you got to ask me for help in like 3 minutes. Because it should be fast. And if it's not fast, you need some help. And I'm willing to help you.
Wait, we finished the whole page on the front page.
Yeah, 1 and 2 are done. And I did 1.5.
We put it in on canvas?
I'm crying with somebody.
What's 7 times 13?
Look for your joke book, Miss Lamelli.
Yeah, Miss Lamenda, you should look for your book.
91.
Alright.
Keep going.
Joke.
I'm looking for them now.
It's a regular joke. Jaden, stop. Stop. Wait.
Are you
You started laughing like a witch.
Jaden, how about you get to work?
I don't know how to do it.
Look at your notes. They're exactly the same thing as your notes. The first ones we did, not the last ones. The last one was too hard. Do 2 problems and show me. Ta-da!
She found it.
You found it?
So small.
Math
Oh,
jokes.
You should read it
Math.
like right
Mathy folks.
For math, folks.
Yes.
Read us a joke.